ground. So let's give a big round of applause and lots of cheers for our energetic players as they get ready to begin.
Alright everyone, get ready. Our class 1A stars about to show us lightning fast teamwork. Parents, are you enjoying? How's the josh? Parents, come together. How's the josh? We can't hear you. How's the josh? Please parents, your josh will only uplift our children. Our sports day is so special because it teaches children the power of never giving up, standing up after a fall, and finishing what they started.
लाइन में बुक कर रहे हैं ये लाइन आउट मिला माइक है वो
GD Goenka celebrate effort more than speed, smiles more than medals, and teamwork more than trophies. This isn't just a race, this is a fast parade of quickness and coordination. Look at that pass, smooth like butter. We already have the winners. Big round of applause for our little heroes. Your coordination today was top notch. Parents, thank you for cheering like champions. The moral of today's race is simple. Just like this relay, life is all about sharing, caring, and helping one another move forward. Parents, let's keep cheering louder and louder. Every class gives them energy to go faster. Parents, we are standing with the fast on the wall, but the applause is not reaching to us. Can we hear the applause louder, please? Parents are not joking. No student ever complained about the scorching heat. They are practicing so hard with full of